Hey YouTube, welcome back everyone to my channel. For those that are new here and have stopped by my channel, thank you for stopping by. I am Simple Pretty Nails, where I make my designs simple but pretty. I have sometimes short nails and long nail designs to show you guys. I usually like to do sometimes the small and the longer version, of course, so you guys can see what it looks like. I love nails, you guys. I have been on this nail journey for about 5 years, for those that don't know me. And this has been quite an amazing journey. I love it. I have a lot of fun with it. And I'm always so excited. And like I said, if you guys like this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, little bell. And right there, it will give you all the information when my videos are coming out. So we will have a lot of fun. Look forward to seeing all of you guys. And have a great day, everyone. And thank you for stopping by. Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? As you guys can see, I already went ahead and applied the nails. Look at this design, you guys. My daughter did this one, and she has challenged me to doing this design. But today we will be working on Scream. Even though I haven't seen the movie, and I do admit I'm really scared of scary movies, of course, but it looks like this design is all over the place. Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube. I mean, it is just happening with this look. So I thought I'd give it a try. You guys all know I'm not a pro, but I'm gonna give it a try. So right here, I use these nails, the curved ones. I thought it would go excellent with this look, so I'm hoping that I'm right. These are beautiful. I got these for $5, and you can get them at any local beauty supply place. They have them everywhere, you guys. So with this look, we'll be using the white, we'll be using the black. We're gonna get started with the black. I'm gonna do 2 coats of this on the middle finger where I'm gonna do the drawing, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do I believe I put like a little layer of gel. I clean that up and then do my 2 coats of clear gel as well. And the reason why I did it like this is because I was really scared to do this design, because I didn't think that it would come out right, and I felt that I would have to be erasing the whole thing and starting all over. And as you guys know, with gel, you can do that. So that was the reason. This is like the bottom part, so I do use the gel, as you guys can see right here, and then I clear that up and I put I go ahead and start doing the drawing. I believe I had to erase it one time. I was really nervous about doing this, and not in a bad way, you guys, just nervous. Like, I mean, like, I was just so excited to do this look that I was like, oh my god, I don't want to mess it up. And then I realized that when you're doing designs, you kind of just have to go with the flow, you guys. Not everything's gonna come out so perfect, and I was nervous with the design, and then I kind of relaxed about it because I was like, why am I making it such a big deal? And as soon as I relaxed, this design came out so awesome. I had so much fun with it. So as you guys can see right here, I'm going to clean out the finger with the alcohol. We already applied that clear hard gel. So now I'm going to get started on my little design. And then that way, if I have to clear it up, I do it with the alcohol. Otherwise, if I have it, like if I do the gel, I've tried it before, and I try to clean it, and it, I don't know, I don't like doing it like that for some reason. It's just sticky, messy. So I'm gonna try this method, see if it works, and so far it works out for me. So I hope you guys give it a try, see if it works. You know, not these methods work for everyone. Some of you guys can always do the clear gel and then just let it dry out, and then you guys do your design. But in this case, I wanted to give this finger that extra little layer of the hard gel. Also because I felt that the nails were a little too thin. So it just really helps out with the nail. It gave it that extra little thickness that I was looking for. And like I said, the nails looked way too thin. But right here, I was able to do it for the second time because the first time I had to erase it. So I'm going to try to do the little outlining, as you guys can see. It was not that easy. For me, it's not. I did show you guys in the beginning that little nail art thing that my daughter did. It is beautiful. I believe it's Oogie. That's what I call him. But what's his name? Oogie Boogie. Anyways, I like to call him Boogie, but she drew that one and she said, Mom, this was so hard to do. But she has challenged me to doing it. I don't know if I'll get around to it. I'm sure gonna try. But see how it's coming out? You have to stretch out the mouth a little longer from this part that I'm doing. Because my husband was like, you need to do it a little longer. And then right here we're outlining the eyes, like from the mask. And yeah, this was definitely really hard for me. It was a lot of fun. Don't get me wrong. I had a lot of fun doing this, you guys. Sometimes, you know, you think that you're not going to be able to draw certain things, and you would be surprised. You got to throw yourself in there and try it out. You never know. I really thought, because I was struggling so bad with this look, I thought that I wouldn't be able to like nail it pretty much. And when my husband saw it, he was like, wow, this is coming out pretty cool. And of course he gave me his tip. You might want to stretch out the mouth a little more. So I did. And as you guys can see, this is turning out to look so awesome. So it's really cool. And excuse the background noises, you guys. There are kids where I live. They're outside. They're super loud. And yeah, they just got off of school. So I'm trying to do my voiceover here. So the nose was really hard to do as well. It was not that easy. I was trying to give it like a kind of like a heart shape. So as you guys can see, it kind of came out looking like a heart, but not really. I do feel that this look though came out looking super creepy. I love it. I don't even want to take it off, honestly. And I really actually surprised myself with this look. I am so proud of myself because I was like thinking about it and I was like, no, I don't think I can do this look. But then I was like, you know what? I'm going to give it a try. And see how I go around the eye area? You just have to grab very little of the black, but wipe it off with the alcohol, and just so it gives it a little stain to kind of outline it, because honestly I do not know how to do the outlining. So based on what I've seen on YouTube, all the girls, how they do it, this is not the way they do it, but this was my idea, and I think it really did work out, because when you look at it, it looks like it has the outline. Obviously if you look really close up, you could see all the little flaws I did, but if you look at it like this, the way I'm looking at it, it looks awesome. So then I'm just gonna do all the other nails black. We're gonna put 2 coats of the gel, and I wanted to use a matte. I even showed you guys the matte I was gonna use, but then I changed my mind, you guys, and you know how I am about that. Sometimes I say I'm going to do something and then I'm like, oh, I think I want to. So it's kind of like I'm just going with the flow, what I'm feeling at the moment. And I was not feeling the matte. I felt like if I used the matte, it was just going to make it look like too plain. I don't know. So I ended up using the gel. I gave it like that little extra layer of gel. And it was so shiny and beautiful. And then we did the little mixture of the red to do the blood, and I used the glitter. Doesn't even have to be red, you guys. You guys can use like a dark purple, and I really feel that the dark purple worked out, that glitter I used. And the little package that I had gotten, it was from that place, Five Below, I believe it's called, and I got it for $5, a little box. So you guys might want to check out that place. They have all kinds of cool stuff, you know, for nail art. So as you guys can see, on some of them I did use, well, most of them I used the dotting tool, and then I started just grabbing some with the brush just to give it that that little bumpy look. And then you make the little line with the little blood that we created here. So here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. But this came out awesome, you guys.